Hi, hello. Listen up, everybody. It's going to be fun for me because it's first time that I'm recording some things in English for my American clients and friends. So it's a challenge for me. So what I'm gonna do today, what I'm gonna show you today is it's gonna be a collarbone breathing sentence, which will help you to release stress, fear, and any other negative emotions that you have each day. You can do this breathing sequence each day, twice a day. The best is to do this in bed at the morning when you are still in bed before you get up, and at the evening when you are in bed, when you're going to sleep. This collarbone is very helpful for everybody who have stress just before some business meeting, or with who are going through very tough situation general in life. For kids, teenagers, youth, they can do this before going to school, to calm down, to focus on what they have to do, and also for when you have public speech. It's also very good when some of you are so stressed and you know what to talk about, you are prepared perfectly, but you feel the stress and that all of a sudden there is nothing in your head and your brain starts panicking, oh, what I'm gonna do, I know nothing, oh my god, there is black hole, nothing. You have this feeling. So then you can try and do this. Don't try it, just do this. Do this collarbone breath sequence, and it will help you a lot. So what we're gonna do? Right hand, we're gonna touch the meridian points on our collarbone area, just under the clavicle. There is a hole here. Here is a bone. You can feel this, and just under is a kind of hole, you can feel this. And also between two fingers, there is also like a little hole. Why these points? Points are responsible for primal fear, isolation, flight, fight, lack of comfort and safety. And also there is another space, the meridian points between a small finger and ring finger. Just here, you can feel this, you can touch this, so touch gently. This point, it's a point of stress release. It's a healing point, and also it is releasing difficulties in showing emotions. So we're gonna work on this point. So now you can just relax your face, unstick your tongue from the palate, and focus on the end of the tongue. This will make you feel more relaxed. And I'm gonna tell you what to do. So right hand, two fingers under the collarbone and 2 fingers, left hand here. And so now take a deep, each breath should be taken to your belly, not to your lungs. So make your belly, that you have this feeling that your belly is growing during the breath, during breathing. So first, take deep breath to your belly, like by your nose. Inhale and exhale. Now close your eyes. Again, relax your face. Remember about this. Unstick your tongue and focus on the end of this tongue. And now take a deep breath to your belly. Keep for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Half exhale. Keep for 2 seconds. And exhale to the end. Wait 2 seconds. Take a half inhale. Wait for 2 seconds and exhale. When you exhale, make sure that all your air is coming out from your belly and your lungs are empty. Okay, we're going to the left side, right hand again, left side of this collarbone area. And again, take a deep breath to your belly. Inhale and exhale. And now take again deep breath to your belly, into your belly. Keep for 2 seconds. Half exhale. Keep for 2 seconds. And exhale to the end. Wait 2 seconds. Take another inhale, half inhale. Wait for 2 seconds and exhale. Now we're gonna change and make a fist, also touch under this bone here. And again, inhale, exhale, close your eyes, relax your face. Inhale deep into your belly. Wait for 2 seconds. Half exhale. Wait 2 seconds. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale to the end. Half inhale. 2 seconds. And exhale. Again to the left side. And now again. Inhale. Exhale. And now deep breath to your belly. Wait 2 seconds. Half exhale. Keep it for 2 seconds. And exhale to the end. 2 seconds. Half inhale. Keep it for 2 seconds. And exhale. Now we're gonna change hands. Left hand, left collarbone area under this bone here. Right hand, again, find this little hole between these 2 fingers. And inhale, exhale. And now take a deep breath to your belly. Keep it 2 seconds. Half exhale. Keep for 2 seconds and exhale to the end. 2 seconds. Half inhale. Keep it for 2 seconds and exhale. Left hand, right side. Inhale, exhale, and close your eyes again. Deep breath into your belly. 2 seconds. Half exhale. 2 seconds. Exhale to the end. 2 seconds. Half inhale. 2 seconds. Keep it. And exhale to the end. Now we're gonna change left hand as a fist. Then again, inhale, exhale. Inhale into your belly. Keep it 2 seconds. Half exhale. Keep it 2 seconds. Exhale to the end. 2 seconds. Half inhale. 2 seconds. And exhale to the end. Same. Left fist to the right collarbone area. And again, take it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to your belly. 2 seconds. Have an exhale. 2 seconds. And exhale to the end. 2 seconds. Half inhale. 2 seconds. And exhale. How do you feel? I know you feel much better now. So all this collarbone breathing is very helpful in during each day when you're going sometimes maybe through some difficulties, difficult situations, stress situation, negative emotion, you have negative thoughts, you have feeling that your thoughts are running all over your head. This will make you really calm down, stop the thoughts and like processing in your head many situation that happened week ago, a few days ago, 10 years ago, that you're still processing in your head. So it will really help you. So please do this each day, twice a day, like at the morning before you get up, when you're still in bed, and then at the evening when you are in bed, just before you just lie down and going to sleep. Before this, instead of watching TikTok, just do this collarbone breath. From my own experience, what I can tell is that all the situation, talking like this is for me, it's like public talk, different language, and everybody will see this. 3 years ago will never happen, never ever, if not this silent counseling therapy and also this collarbone technique. So please enjoy and let me know in comments How do you feel? What changed in your life? And good luck with everything. Thank you.